In this module, we'll be looking at homogeneous equations that have constant coefficients. Let's jump in and take a look at an example. Here we're going to determine the general solution of the differential equation, the second derivative of y plus 6 times the first derivative of y plus 25y is equal to 0. The first thing that we're going to want to do is find the auxiliary equation for this. So, providing our substitutions, we find that the auxiliary equation is given as r squared plus 6r plus 25 equals 0. And now we'll rely on our algebra. We'll need the quadratic formula or factor this so that we can find that the roots are r equals -3 plus or minus 4i. You might want to pause the video and make sure that you remember how to use the quadratic formula. Also notice that these roots are complex roots. Well, from our text, we notice that we would have two linearly independent real value solutions. The first one being y sub 1, which is equal to e to the -3x power times cosine of 4x. And the second one would be y sub 2, which is equal to e to the -3x times sine of 4x. Notice the values 3 and 4 come from the roots of our auxiliary equation. And then finally we have our general solution. That is y, which is equal to e to the -3x power times the quantity c sub 1 times cosine of 4x plus c sub 2 times sine of 4x. All right, we'll look for any questions you might have on the discussion board.